How to update June's Journey application on your Android or iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to update the June's Journey application on your smartphone or your tablets, whether you are using Android or iOS device. First things first, go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet first. Once it is, open your Google Play Store or your App Store, depending upon your device's operating system. Go to the search icon at the bottom and in the search bar type in June's Journey. Once you find the application in the search result, open the app and look for its info section and check if there is an update button available. If yes, you can tap on update and it will start downloading the latest features or the latest version of June's Journey application. Once it's done with the installation, you can tap on the play button to launch the app open. And that's how you can easily update the June's Journey app on your Android or iOS so you never miss new puzzles, stories, or events. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.